Stop wasting your time cleaning your home with traditional vacuums and mops and join the modern vacuum tech revolution with the latest collection of vacuums from our channel sponsor Dreame, including fully automated robot vacuums like their X40 Ultra and X50 Ultra, as well as their wet and dry mop vacuums like their H12 Pro, H12 Pro Flex Reach, and the brand new H15 Pro Heat, and finally, their Dyson vacuum killer, the Z30 cordless stick vacuum. And Dreame's early Prime Day sale is now live, so check the description for the best sale prices on all of these incredible vacuum products. But before I jump into the best features and benefits of each of these, I want to say that I've been using this incredible combo of the H12 Pro, the X50 Ultra, and the Z30, and it's been literally the best thing ever because the robot vacuum keeps my floors fresh and clean with fully automated and passive cleaning, while I have the wet and dry vacuum for quickly vacuuming and mopping up messes in the kitchen, and the Z30 for general dry vacuuming as well as deep carpet and rug cleaning like the stairs. My floors have honestly never felt so clean, and all of these work so well that cleaning is now effortless and fully cordless. So with that said, let's jump right into the X40 Ultra robot vacuum. First of all, it's fully automated with the Dreame app where you can schedule and customize everything about your cleaning, and you can also adjust the mop wetness, the vacuum suction, room cleaning priority, and so much more. One of my favorite features is the side reach technology for swinging out the main side brush into corners so you can sweep up debris. It also goes under couches, around chair legs, under appliances, under doors, everywhere, so nothing is missed. And they also have Mop Extend, which does the exact same thing, but for the spinning mop pad, making sure it gets under everything and also all the way against your baseboards and into corners so you don't have to go and manually wipe anything down. It has LiDAR navigation, which creates a map of your entire floor that you can customize in terms of where and how it cleans, including adding no-go zones and much more. It also has a hands-free base station, which takes care of everything from auto recharging and auto mixing of the included cleaning solution into the water for better cleaning performance. It also uses 158-degree hot water to self-clean the base station washboard and the mop pads. It even uses hot air to dry the mops so they don't stink. It also auto vacuums the dust from the vacuum itself into the base station's bag, which it comes with an extra one in the box. All you really gotta do is refill and empty the dirty and clean water tanks. It's got 12,000 PAs of Vormax suction power, and it includes the Tri-Cut anti-tangle brush, so you don't have to worry about cutting the tangled hair. That won't happen. So it's fully automated and takes care of everything, and it's got a killer price right now using the link in the description below. Now with that said, there's also the X50 Ultra, which is the latest flagship from Dreame, and it does everything that the X40 Ultra does, but with even more features. First of all, it comes with the industry first Pro Leap system, which can climb over obstacles as high as 6 centimeters, so it's not gonna get stuck anywhere, and it cleans your entire floor. And it also has VersaLift LiDAR navigation, which means that it lowers the LiDAR module down, so it's only 3.5 inches high, so you can get under very tight furniture and beds, like my bed, which is the only possible way to clean under it. And it has a new Hyperstream detangling dual brush, so it's even better at handling hair. In terms of self-cleaning, it has an upgraded Ace Clean dry board system, so it keeps itself clean, as well as upgraded 176-degree hot water auto washing. This one also comes with smart voice control, which makes it so convenient. Hey Dreame.
I'm here.
Wash the floors.
Start mop pads washing. Start cleaning mop pads.
And for the first time, Matter protocol support, which is so cool. So if you haven't tried one of these, definitely do down below. Now with that said, let's get into the wet and dry vacuum cleaners, starting with the H12 Pro. This thing features an edge-to-edge brush roller, so it cleans messes right up against the wall, and it also cleans wet and sticky messes with one go, like let's say spilled cereal. It has self-cleaning built into its base station, as well as hot air drying to make sure it always stays clean and it doesn't smell at all while auto charging at the base station. There's a display on top which shows you everything you need to know, like the battery life and which mode you're using, like auto mode, which basically automates everything, including adjusting the mop speed based on the level of dirt that it's picking up. There's also ultra mode, which is for deep cleaning, and suction mode, which is great for cleaning up wet messes like spilled water. It has about 35 minutes of battery life, which means you can clean your entire floor and not just spot cleaning, which is great. Now there's the H12 Pro Flex Reach, which takes it to the next level. This thing comes with even better self-cleaning up to 194-degree hot water, and it comes with a really cool 5-minute 194-degree Fahrenheit hot air drying mode, which will dry it so quickly, or of course you can use the quiet drying mode, which will dry for 30 minutes. This thing has better battery life, up to 50 minutes, and the main feature is that you can have it do 180-degree lie flat reach, which helps you get under tight furniture that you have, under your dining table, under all of your chair legs. Just lay it down, literally down on the ground. It actually has a little ball to help it roll on your floors, which is just nuts. It also has upgraded 18,000 PAs of suction power, and it has a really cool solid and liquid waste separation system, so it doesn't all get mixed together, and an upgraded display with smart mode for general stains and debris, turbo mode for tough stains, suction mode for heavy liquid stains, and quiet mode for quieter operations. So it's overall a nice upgrade compared to the H12 Pro. And finally, we have the H15 Pro Heat, which is the best of the best. This is the brand new flagship from Dreame, and it really shows. It comes with thermo rinse technology for floor cleaning, which actually heats the water to 185 degrees Fahrenheit, which is what it uses for cleaning your floors, so it quickly cleans up dried stains. And the cool thing is that it helps your wet floors dry a lot quicker since it uses hot water. Now, in terms of the brush self-cleaning at the base station, it uses 212-degree hot water, which basically sanitizes it due to the high heat. It also has 194-degree AI drying, which actually has moisture detection, so it stops drying when it actually becomes dry, and it has even better 72 minutes of battery life. And the best part is the AI Descend Reach robotic arm that basically acts as a squeegee and fills in gaps all the way against your wall every time you pull it back, so it gets any debris out of your corners and edges to make it easy to mop up, which is so cool. It comes with RGB intuitive dirt detection to kind of detect what kind of dirt you're cleaning up and adjust the cleaning power up to 22,000 PAs of suction. Of course, it comes with 180-degree lie flat reach as well, and you can even control it using your app to get under really low and deep furniture. So it's basically the ultimate wet and dry vacuum. And now with that said, let's get into the Dyson killer, the Z30 cordless stick vacuum. I've been using this thing for the past few weeks and it is incredible. It has 310 air watts of power, which is crazy, with a 150,000 RPM turbo motor, so you can see just how well this thing sucks up debris, which is great for carpets. It has XXL capacity, which is very easy to empty with the press of a button, and it has a really cool smart reaction feature which automatically detects the dirt levels that you're picking up and adjusts the suction power for what you need. You also have a display on top which gives you a ton of information, including the battery life and the different micron levels of different pollutants, which of course this thing has HEPA H14 filtration to get rid of all of them. Basically up to 99.99 filtration. The battery life is also incredible, up to 90 minutes of vacuuming, covering 300 square meters of floor space. But my favorite feature is the Celeste technology, which uses blue lights at the front to reveal dust and debris, which actually makes it really fun to vacuum your floors. And then once you're finished, you can actually just back up and use the lights to confirm that everything is cleaned up nicely. Just like the others, it has edge-to-edge vacuuming, which makes it really quick and easy, and it has multi-surface capabilities, so floors, carpets, everything, with anti-tangle ridges for hair and and it comes with a bunch of different attachments for various types of cleaning, basically everything you need, including this cool motorized mini brush for couches and anything else. You also have hassle-free storage with this ground-based station, which holds it up, and all of the accessories as well. And honestly, the suction power is so impressive. And it also has different modes like the turbo mode to max out the suction, which is great for things like this front entry rug. So there you guys go. That's the latest Dreame collection of products that are on sale right now with Dreame's early Prime Day sale. So use the links down in the description and pinned comment below to check them out and order today to save big. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.